So check it out. These are the cutest measuring spoons I have ever seen.
Ever.
Like they're cherries on a stem. And they're actual real life measuring spoons.
Yep.
And the stems tell you, like this one says it's 1 teaspoon. I don't know if you could see that. It's kind of in there. And so they tell you the half teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, half a tablespoon, 1 tablespoon.
Yeah, your normal measuring.
Right, your normal 4 measurings there. But you can see it's just the cutest thing with the stem. Comes on a ring. But then guess what the leaf is? The leaf is an egg separator.
Is that the cutest?
It's just cute. You put your egg in there, and the white comes down the bottom there into the bowl, and then you got an egg separator. So OTOTO sent these to us so that we could show them to you, and I just think they're really cute and clever. And OTOTO, they make really cute and clever kitchen items that are just like so much fun and would make great gifts. Or I was thinking it'd be a really cool way to get your kid interested in kitchen stuff, cooking and baking and things like that, because of course you've got all this fun different kinds of kitchen utensils and tools and things like that, like these measuring spoons here.
Well, you know, these measuring spoons, I love cherries. We're in western Montana right now, and
it's almost cherry season.
Yeah, the flathead cherries come out and they're delicious, and so this just reminds me of cherries. I want to eat them up. Yum, yum.
Yum, yum. Good stuff. Thanks for sending those.